despite anything she's going, like she could be going through, having the worst day, she might be feeling like rubbish, but my mum's always smiling. Even when she drops and falls and hurt herself, she's still busting up.
I'm alright.
Yeah.
That's something.
Always
I'm alright.
happy. Exactly. Yeah. I love how strong my mum is and that smile. Yeah.
She can still go and buy you things. Of course,
My name is Yvonne Johnson. This is me, a mother, a wife, a Christian, a sister, an auntie, a cousin. I have always been a very athletic person, a very passionate bike rider, a very good party dancer. 2 weeks before turning 54, I completed my degree in health and social care. Yet only 4 weeks before graduation, I was diagnosed with MND. After receiving my diagnosis, my life literally stood still for 24 hours. I kid you not. Within those 24 hours, I consulted my faith. I cried for my children. I was devastated over my planned career. My recently received degree in health and social care was now down the bloody drain. As far as I was concerned, my life was over. Then my husband reminded me that this diagnosis did not define me. I was still Yvonne. From that day, the more I shared my story, my journey, and raised awareness, I felt empowered and purposeful. Sharing helps me to keep going and to keep fighting. I would be lying if I said that I didn't have moments of overwhelming sadness and frustration, because I do. I'm only human. I say this because when your speech changes or you lose your speech, you lose a huge part of your identity, which can somewhat isolate you from society. Today, I am still living my best life and building wonderful memories with my family and friends. My loved ones hear me and see me for who I am. I'm grateful to share just how important it is for people like me with non-standard speech to be able to use our original voice to communicate with others, and the impact it has on our lives and our loved ones. I will never forget the first time I used my ElevenLabs voice. Feeling a bit overwhelmed, but here goes. Today, I want to publicly declare my love and gratitude to my husband, Paul Alexander Johnson. I can proudly say out loud that we are celebrating 25 years of marriage. You are my comfort and my peace when I'm angry or emotional. What more could I really ask for in a husband and best friend? So today, Orville, I vow to continue to love you eternally. I will be there for you despite the battles of life we face. I will be there for you in sickness and in health. For richer, and for richer, I mean for richer and for richer. Until God is ready for us, we are joined at the hip. Yes. We have built a beautiful family over the last 28 years together. Let's continue our journey with the love of God in the midst.